Hello, guys, welcome to the channel. I hope everybody is fine, and I am Manali Singh, an intern with Com Connection, and today I am going to tell you really unknown and amazing facts about a great personality of the world, Warren Buffett. So, let's talk in brief about him. He's an American investor, business tycoon, and philanthropist. He's also chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, which is a company, and he is considered one of the most successful investors and also one of the wealthiest persons in world. He is also known as Oracle of Omaha, and there are various details and facts in this video. So I hope you are sticking to the video till last. So let's move forward further. Next, now we are going to talk about who is Buffett. So Warren Edward Buffett, who was born on August 30th in year 1930, and his today's age is 89. He was born in Omaha, which is a place in United States. If we talk about his education, he got his education from University of Pennsylvania, University of Nebraska and Columbia University. अगर हम ये बात करें कि उनका ऑक्यूपेशन क्या है, तो ही इज़ अ बिजनेस मैन, इन्वेस्टर एंड philanthropist. Philanthropist, if you don't know, is a person who serves society, social cause की तरफ, he is diverted, and charity बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. तो these kind of person are called philanthropist. If you talk about the year from which he is active, so from 1951 till now he is active. He is known for the leadership of Berkshire Hathaway with Charlie Munger. His net worth, real time net worth, as of 17th 8 2020 is $79.6 billion. Some of the amazing facts about Warren is he still lives in a small bedroom house in Midtown Omaha, which he bought, 50 years ago, which is his native place where he was born. Warren donates his 85% fortune to charity. He has no driver, he drives his own car and doesn't even have security around him. No cell phone. Warren does not carry a cell phone or a computer on his desk. And Warren writes only one letter each year to the CEOs of Berkshire Hathaway, which is rule number 1: don't lose any of your shareholders' money, and rule second is do not forget the rule number 1. So these are some amazing facts. Let's move forward to know more about him. So now हम बात करेंगे कैसे और कब उनकी ये जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई. So he already was an entrepreneur from very young age. अगर हम टाइमलाइन की बात करें इवेंट वाइज, तो फर्स्ट ही स्टार्टेड सेलिंग च्युइंग गम्स पैक एंड कोक एट द एज ऑफ 6. सो इतनी यंग एज पर भी ही वॉज thinking of earning money somehow. Then he bought shares of now an oil company at the age of 11, and next he sold newspapers and bought a farm at the age of 15. So you can see from the very young age he was thinking and trying to earn money. He then joined a friend to start a pinball machine at the age of 17, which is a इतना तो किसी भी 17 ईयर के टीनेजर को कभी भी नहीं ध्यान आएगा. सो ही वॉज अ जीनियस, ही वॉज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर फ्रॉम वेरी यंग एज. He saved around $9,800 till the age of 24 on his own by earning somehow by selling newspapers, by starting a pinball machine company, है ना. So he saved a lot of money till age of 24, and again he grew his savings to $140,000 till the age of 26 when he came to his hometown Omaha, and he created Buffett Associates Limited with his 7 family members and friends, जिसमें total investment था $105,000, and in that company Buffett only invested $100. So you can see, starting from selling chewing gum till the age of 26, how he started his own company and what was the starting of his, you know, company. Let's move forward, and we are going to talk about the difficulty he faced. So आप काफ़ी लिंक्स में या फिर काफ़ी उनकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी में देख सकते हैं, ग्राहम वॉज हिज मेंटोर, हिज आइडल, जिनसे उन्होंने इन्वेस्टिंग सीखा, जिनसे उनके दिमाग में वो आए, जिसकी वजह से आज वो वेल्थीएस्ट पर्सन है. सो बफेट एंड ग्राहम की एक सिचुएशंस एक वो थी, मतलब different mentality on investment. So Buffett invested using a more qualitative and concentrated approach than Graham did. ग्राहम हमेशा प्रेफर करते थे अंडर वैल्यूड कंपनी, एवरेज कंपनीज़ को चूज़ करना एंड उनकी होल्डिंग्स को डाइवर्सिफाई करना. ऑन द अदर हैंड बफेट ऑलवेज फेवर्ड जो क्वालिटी बिजनेस हैं, जो कि ऑलरेडी रीजनेबल वैल्यूएशंस पर हैं, उनको उनमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना एंड उनकी लार्ज ग्रोथ को की एबिलिटी को बढ़ाना. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिफरेंसेस इन दी थिंकिंग, Graham denied to hire Buffett when he asked to work with him, and he went his hometown Omaha and he was really very upset. So ये एक difficulty थी when he faced while working with the Graham. And if you talk about the attitude after success, so he is considered philanthropist, मतलब कि he is really diverted and he considers the social well-being of everybody. He gives a large amount of his fortune to the charity, and he is really a nice person. He likes to joke around. He really eats like a 6-year-old child. So इतनी एज होने के बाद में भी he never stopped and worked till now. So some kind of person changed after earning lots of money, but he is a good person till now and he is like before. Moving forward, we are going to talk about the business analysis. So we will talk about some failed business strategies of Warren Buffett and some miraculous successful strategies afterwards. So सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं बाइंग बर्कशायर हाथवे, जो कि उनकी अब कंपनी है. बेसिकली वॉरेन बफेट एक ऐसी कंपनी को ओन करते हैं जो कि बाकी कंपनीज़ को ओन करते हैं. सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि एक आर्ग्यूमेंट की वजह से ही वाज अ शेयर होल्डर इन बर्कशायर हाथवे एट फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस, पर उनके एक की मैनेजरल पर्सन से उनका कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गया, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ सेलिंग हिज शेयर टू हिम, ही बॉट बैक ऑल द शेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी. He acted out of rage and out of revenge. So because of this, he really lost a lot of money in buying Berkshire Hathaway, which is a failed business strategies according to him. He is now a proud owner of failing textile industry. So this is the most important failed business strategies he ever saw. Next we are going to talk about Wormbeck Mills. So ये एक ऐसी कंपनी थी where he took everything for free, but he misinterpreted long-term economic viability of the company and lost a lot of money in this. So it was a failed business strategy. Next we are going to talk about Dexter Shoes. So he bought this company because the good quality and durable shoes, but in 2001 this company closed because of increased competition of these kind of shoes making companies out of USA. So this was also a failed business strategy of Warren Buffett. Fourth, we are going to talk about Salomon Brothers. So here the mistake was this prestigious bond trading house and investment banks company थी, जो कि थर्ड ऑफ वैल्यू उन्होंने खरीदी, एंड उसके खरीदने के बाद में उसकी थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द वैल्यू वॉज वाइब्ड फ्रॉम बर्कशायर हाथवेज इन्वेस्टमेंट. जितना बर्कशायर हाथवे मतलब वॉरेन बफेट की कंपनी में इस कंपनी को खरीदने में लगाया था, उसका थर्ड पार्ट वो खो चुके थे आफ्टर दी deal. So this investment really cost a lot to Warren Buffett because of the stock market crash on Black Friday. ये company fail हो गई and he really lost a lot of money. So these are the failed business strategies which he saw in his lifetime. Now we are going to talk about some of the miraculous successful strategies. तो सबसे पहले आता है Bank of America's largest shareholder. So बैंक स्टॉक वर ट्रेडेड फॉर लेस देन द अमाउंट डिसाइडेड, जिसमें विच वॉज टेक्निकली वर्थलेस. जो इस कंपनी के स्टॉक थे वो ट्रेड करे जा रहे फॉर लेस दिस द मनी. ही डिसाइडेड फॉर द डील जो कि वर्थलेस थी, बट शेयर प्राइस वर tripled, more than tripled. Share price were more than tripled after he bought the company, and also the dividend was increased. So this business strategy was really successful. Second, we are going to talk about Buffett's biggest stock win, Coca-Cola. So ये generally जानी जाती है as forever stock business strategy, जिसमें बफेट ने इस कंपनी के शेयर्स को 1988 में ख़रीदा था, एंड जस्ट अंडर 30 ईयर्स जो उस कंपनी के स्टॉक प्राइस थे वो 1350% से बढ़ गए फ्रॉम द कॉस्ट. एंड ये डिविडेंड को भी इंक्लूड नहीं करता है जो कि बर्कशायर हाथवे रिसीव कर रही है 3 डिकेड से. So this was a really good deal where this much percentage were increased, surged up after the deal. Next we are going to talk about mortgage agency Freddie Mac, जहाँ पे उन्होंने $4 में 1988 में ये शेयर्स इस कंपनी के बाय किए थे. ये एक गवर्नमेंट बैंक्ड कंपनी थी जिसके शेयर बफेट ने लिए थे. इस कंपनी के शेयर का इंक्रीमेंट अराउंड 1500% से बढ़ गया टू अराउंड $70 इन अ डिकेड. तो मतलब ये डील में काफ़ी इंक्रीमेंट हुआ और इसकी वजह से मतलब इस बिज़नेस स्ट्रैटेजी में बफेट ने काफ़ी पैसा कमाया. सो दिस डील was really a good strategy of Warren Buffett. But in 2000 he stole the stake at around $3. तो काफ़ी अर्निंग के बाद में कॉस्ट से भी कम में उस कंपनी के शेयर्स को बफेट ने बेच दिया. बट इट वाज अ गुड डील इफ़ वी रियली कंसिडर the increment of 1500%. Now last we are going to talk about BNSF Railroad. So ये वॉरेन बफेट का लार्जेस्ट. बफेट ऑलरेडी उस कंपनी का 1/4 पार्ट ओन करते थे, बट ही पेड rest of the part he paid and bought the company, and the deal was of around $36 billion, and also the deal was expensive. But now if we consider the value of that company, it is of $93 billion. So this deal also earned him lots of fortune. Also, if you want to know about Warren Buffett, you can check out his autobiography by HBO. Next we are going to talk about habits and beliefs of the Buffett. So you can see some of the quotes here in the images which were told by Buffett, and also some quotes on the various terms. If we talk about habits, so he is a fan of Breaking Bad, a web series on Netflix, and he have his breakfast by same McDonald's every morning, and he eats accordingly to the market condition. If the market is good, he eats other thing, and if market is down, he eat other things. and he eats like a 6-year-old child, because जो 6 year olds child होते हैं they can eat anything without getting any disease or without with lower death rates. So he eats like a 6-year-old. Because of this reason, he spend 80% of his work day reading, and he reads around 500 pages every day. As I already told, he drives his own car, he has 5-hour work rule, he do exercises, he plays bridge, and also plays a instrument called ukulele. So next we are going to talk about reviews about these startups. So how startups helps to, you know, freshers and people to build their skills and for their personal development. So startups generally award with ट्रस्ट एंड अ वॉइस. वहाँ पे काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग इन्वायरमेंट होता है, इंटरेस्टिंग इन्वायरमेंट होता है, काफ़ी चीज़ें नए सीखते हैं फ्रेशर्स. दे बिल्ड लॉट्स ऑफ स्किल्स लाइक कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड वेरियस अदर स्किल्स. वहाँ पे रूम होता है ग्रो के लिए, है ना. आप काम करते टाइम भी नई थिंग्स लर्न कर सकते हो. डाइवर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़, वेरियस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आर गिवन एट स्टार्टअप. सो आप काफ़ी नई चीज़ें सीखते हो, सिर्फ एक ही जॉब नहीं, काफ़ी नई जॉब भी सीख जाते हो. Okay, also the ability to get the most out of limited resources. So startup generally starts from limited resources, but still they somehow manage to get most out of it. So it really helps to manage things and work out of limited resources. आपका वर्क रिकॉग्नाइज होगा एज विल योर फेलियर्स, बट वहाँ पे हर किसी को पर्सनल अटेंशन मिलता है, पर्सनल रिवॉर्ड्स मिलते हैं. तो ये द ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट्स आर रियली गुड. यू विल वर्क इन एन ऑसम एटमॉस्फेयर. काफ़ी यंग जनरेशन वहाँ पे होती है, तो यू डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड योर इंटायर टाइम विद एन ओल्ड पर्सन और एज्ड पर्सन.